Moxie Media presents Driver Safety Training, Safe Speed Management. Picture yourself behind the wheel of your truck, cruising down a scenic highway en route to an important delivery. You're making good time now, but the traffic jam you ran into earlier has you worried that your delivery is going to be delayed. You figure if you go 10 miles over the speed limit, you can make up some time. You press your foot down on the gas, and as you drive, your mind is occupied with reaching your destination on time. Suddenly, you approach a sharp curve in the road. Panicking, you realize that you're going too fast to navigate it safely. Centrifugal force takes over, and the cargo in the back shifts violently, overturning your load. You're shaken, but miraculously unhurt. However, the cargo meant for a time-sensitive delivery is damaged beyond use. The realization sinks in that your attempt to save time through speeding has not only jeopardized your safety, but has also resulted in a failed delivery and financial loss. This is the reality of speeding, a reality where split-second decisions can have serious consequences. In this program, we're going to look into the crucial importance of adhering to speed limits and speed management techniques, driving responsibly, and practicing defensive driving principles. By the end of this program, you'll not only understand the consequences of speeding, but also be armed with the knowledge to make safer choices on the road. So, let's get started.